Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Iqiniso bafowethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ino-goalkeeper problem or a crisis e-serious, but bona abakuboni lokho ukuthi banenkinga ka-goalkeeper. I mean manje bafuna ukunika uVuma i-contract entsha. Uzobenzelani ku-Kaizer Chiefs uma bamnika i-contract entsha? uNtwari noma ngithi uNtwaresh, angikwazi ukupronounce igama lakhe, inkinga balipronounce kayi-two abanye. So yeah, ugoalkeeper lo wase-Rwanda bebafuna ukumhambisa, but they were not direct enough ukuthi bamhambise because bewakhona ama-team amfunayo lesi ngama-loan, bona bebafuna ukumhambisa ngama-terms wabo. I remember this one time bafuna ugoalkeeper we-Yanga, i-Yanga ithi okay nathi we-interested ku-goalkeeper wenu, but i-switch ayizange yenzeka, kwaba nama-delays. Udelayiswa yini-ke? Potentially-ke ukuthi kuma-interview azange kuma-negotiations a-break-a down, bamkhipha uNtwari, ugoalkeeper ongavimbanga unyaka wonke, almost 11 months yonke bamgcinile still. Simbonile kadlala neBafana Bafana. Angazi, I don't know what you guys think of i-performance yakhe, but-ke what I'm getting ama-reviews ukuthi abantu they're not impressed nge-performance yakhe. Ama-reflexes wakhe, but honestly I mean it's debatable igame yakhe, khona ama-saves awashayile good ngey'nyawo, but he's not convincing enough in terms of ukupusha ibhola ukuthi liphume, because he could have easily saved amabhola ambalwa. So mawubheka uVuma noNtwari, uPeterson ugoalkeeper, yes, he's been solid in terms of ama-clean sheets, but akusiwo ugoalkeeper ongamthemba ukuthi yabona lo, you will never be sure 100% ukuthi yazini uzokwazi ukuyithwala i-team adeliver week in and week out. He has done that. That is why I'm saying I can give him that ukuthi okay, he has done that this season ukuthi adeliver. But in terms of ama-reflexes, ngakhumbula something, yes, uNtwari ushaya goalkeeper be-Kaizer Chiefs nge-distribution, good in terms of i-distribution ngenyawo, avele he can pinpoint or pick ama-players from a distance. Akusiyo i-problem-ke from yena, he's able to do that very very well bafowethu. So overall, so but in terms of keeper, I mean, there's no way. Like he was one of the biggest signings. Me signing with Kaizer Chiefs was 2 seasons ago. Maybe signing lapha ku-TS Galaxy. Bekubheka ukuthi uzoba undisputed number 1, but wahluleka. Abamthembi, bamhlalisa isizini yonke ebhentshini, but-ke still bayamgcina. Naku njengoba bengishilo bafuna ukupha uVuma i-contract. Beba-linked to goalkeeper abaningi, but they didn't go all out there. Bathole goalkeeper. What is the reason? What could be the reason ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi bona ababoni banenkinga yogoalkeeper, babona ogoalkeeper babo nje ba-perfect, ogoalkeeper bazokwazi ukucompete. Into engizibuza yona mina, what will happen because of makungaba nama-doubting ngoPeterson, cause isizini i-change fast and izinto zishintsha fast. uPeterson isikhathi esiningi uzoba nama-brilliant save, ibhola mabalishaya straight kuye. Ithi sibuyele kulama-save lawa wakhe, ngifuna ukunibonisa something. Angisho ukuthi is a bad goalkeeper, but ngiyazi ukuthi amaphutha uzoba nawo. Ibhola balishaya straight kuye, uyakwazi ukulithinta, akwazi ukuliseva. I remember this moment against i-Golden Arrows, 1-on-1 naye, but wakwazi ukuvula, ukustretcha izandla zakhe, lamshaya emzimbeni ibhola laphuma kwaba yikhona. Beautiful save from him, but balishaya straight. Kurare ukuthi umbone like bashaya ibhola kahle eceleni ngeshot, afike like nge-reflexes aliphere away. It's very rare. Ulithinta ibhola if balishaya close to yena. So uyawathola ama-clean sheets, uwatholile, but ku-goalkeeper engamthemba i-Kaizer Chiefs ithi yabona-ke lo asisadingi muntu, cause i-Kaizer Chiefs if beyibhilivela kubantu bekumele ibhilivele kubuntu, noma ngithi uKarabo Molefe bafethu, lo goalkeeper una-22 or 23 lapho. Kumele-ke babhilivele kuye, ba-investe kuye ku-long term, hhayi ukuthi bagcine abantu abangeke babasebenzisa futhi abangabathembi, umgcina ngamagama athini umuntu. But at the same time, I do understand indaba kaNtwari because ufika ne-big contract ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so uma bazokhansela i-contract yakhe kumele bamnike i-settlement lese yabo ma-million. So maybe izinto ezimenza ukuthi bamgcine lapha nethimini, but what is he giving them? There's no way uhlalisa umuntu ebhentshini. Bebane-crisis already last season, uVuma dedela amagoli simple, uNtwari azange bamvimbise still. Kusho ukuthi bathi uNtwari u-worse than uVuma. So what is the main thing ukuthi bagcine labo goalkeeper labo? Okay, what I saw kuthiwa bafuna ukunika uVuma i-contract entsha, because bafuna ukulokhunjana, bafuna ukugcina ama-players wabo ukuthi angalokhunjana bafethu, ama-players wabo lawa abuya ku-development e-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi angahamba aye mani kwamanye ama-team. Why bangahamba aye kwamanye ama-team bawagcine lama-player lawa understand i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Mina into engiyibuza yona ukuthi u-understand i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, I do understand. You understand the culture, but you're not playing. You're not giving the team anything. Even when you're given an opportunity to play, you're not giving the team anything. So we can understand the culture overall, Bafeta enough. Let's be honest. Let's just be direct, sibe honest. It's not enough to understand the culture alone. But at the end of the day, phela yibo abarun team, eyabo team so team. They just have to make their own decisions. Bastike to lawo ma decisions lawo ababhilivela ukuthi okay, maybe amanye ama-player deserve ukudlala, deserve ukunikwa ama-opportunities kangcono, potentially-ke banikwe nama-contract. But-ke let's hope izobasebenzela lento le abayenzayo ukuthi okay, banika nabanye abantu abangadlali ama-contract, or maybe abanganayo i-long term laphana ethimini overall, because you cannot just hand out ama-contract for the sake of handing out ama-contracts. You're handing a new contract kumuntu deserving. You have to earn a contract. You can't be given a contract based on ukuthi ujwayelene nobani, or ujwayelene ne-management, so forth, or ujwayelene abaphathi bale baya-understand, umngani wabo, maybe niphuza nonke or nenzani. No, you get a contract because of umsebenzi wakho. You've earned ukuthola i-contract. But if you haven't earned that contract, it means that they can let you go. And I want to say kunama-player engifuna ukukhuluma ngawo. Thing is ukuthi le player list, I know him personally, so I can't really dive entweni yakhe kuzobonakala ngathi ngiyama-attack-a noma sengikhipha into zakhe. So ngiyaba-respect ama-players angiwaziyo, angithandi ukukhuluma ngawo at all, especially uma ngazi izinto zabo direct. So but into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi you cannot be loyal to abantu abangadeliver. You have to be loyal to abantu abadelivayo. Every season abantu, for example, bekubonakala ngathi iphelile i-career kaNgcobo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Because beyangaperform kahle uNgcobo, let's be honest. But guess what? This season uqala season like a house on fire. Uperforma kahle kakhulu. Whenever is given an opportunity to play, uyabonisa ngempela ukuthi I deserve to be kule team lena. Nisayine ama-midfielders akhona, oNdlovu, nisayine oShesleti, nisayine oMaboy. But guess what? I'm here, I'm willing to fight, I'm willing to give everything for the team. So now, whenever he's given an opportunity to play, uyadlala and uyadeliver. So what about abangadeliver, banikwe ama-opportunities, lokuthi hayi maybe umuntu umnikile last chance, umuntu ongadeserve ukudlala and ongayiniki lutho i-team, because of they're moving to a greater stage where they wanna really get the work done and to re-establish themselves ku-African continent as the African or South African giants. But-ke the way izinto ezihamba ngakhona ureward abantu based on what amalo. But angisho ukuthi abantu abaphelelwe imisebenzi, bafethu sengiyasho nje, if like Kaizer Chiefs ifila ngathi amanye ama-player amele bawagcine, but based on ini, uwagcina based on ini lawo ma-players lawo? Iyo nje question yami. Cela ukuyibamba lapho bafethu. But-ke bayazi ukuthi benzani. But mina ngibona kunenkinga yo-goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. You cannot have i-backup or i-backup yo-goalkeeper ongabathembi. Kumele ube no-goalkeeper obathembayo ukuthi okay, lo manje engimthembayo usenza kangcono, naye engingamthembi 100%, but usenza kangcono. If ngaba nenkinga kuye kuzokwenzakalani ngempela ethimini. Ithi ngivale. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.